If you'd like to copy a kit or a pad on the Roland SPD SX Pro, it's super easy. All you need to do is go to your tools menu on the main screen. We're going to go over to copy kit first, so we're going to hit enter on there, and then all I'm going to do is just go to my next free space for patches, which is going to be, there we go, I've got one there, user kit, which is free. Now here I can either choose to copy it, which is obviously going to make a duplicate of it, or I can exchange, where it's just going to replace where it was with where it's going to. I'm going to hit copy because I want an extra version of this so that we can then edit the pads. So if I hit enter, that's going to complete there, number 85. When I click off, it's automatically going to go to that one. So now let's say I want to move pad number 7, which is the kit, to where the hi-hat is. All I need to do is go to tools again, and I'm going to go copy pad, hit select there, or I can use enter, and all I'm going to do is change pad 7. I can hit it on there. I'm going to change that and swap it with pad 9. I'm going to hit exchange in that case because I want to switch the two over. And that's all there really is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more electronic drum tips, and I'll see you soon.